How many of you are on the campus, go to college? Raise your hand. Let me tell you what's happening to you right now, brothers, and tell me if I'm off. This time of the year, the heat of the summer, is the worst time for a good Muslim man. Dr. Jackson, let me tell you something, Akhi. Honestly, honest to Allah, Akhi, I try to turn my head. I do. I work on it. I'm serious. I'm serious. I couldn't believe it. The airport, I can't believe it. Every time you see a woman, you turn. I'm not going to look. Another one there. I'm not going to look. Another one there. Am I right, brothers? Everywhere is surrounding because they take off their clothing, and you are a man. You a man. Now, this is like a workshop now. It's not like, oh, brother, alhamdulillah, brother, I never look, alhamdulillah. I look up in the sky all the time. I don't think so, Akhi. I don't think so. And I'm telling you, I hate it. I hate it when women take off their clothing and they're naked. I really do, brother. I hate it. I hate it. There are times, Allah's my witness, Akhi, wallah, even right now, there are times I hate turning on TV. Sometimes something special, I want to watch some news, I heard about it, I turn, but reluctantly, Akhi, this whole week, I didn't turn it on once. I hate it. Wallahi azim, I hate it. Because there's so much evil on it, so much evil on it. And brother, I'm telling you, if you keep looking, when will you stop looking? When? When will you lower your gaze? Lower your gaze and guard your modesty. When will you do it? You see, it's easy here. All the Muslims together, and everybody is good, everybody reminding each other. But when you're alone by yourself, driving in your car, that's the test, brother. That's the test. When you're home in your apartment by yourself and you got the TV on, that's the test.